Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PayPal can send money errors. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, we're just going to follow this PayPal support article. And from here, we can learn more about this type of errors that won't allow you to send or to transfer money. So as you can see here, the first thing or the first reasons might be is that you have some limitation on your PayPal account, and that would allow or that would prevent you to transfer money through your account. And basically, you will be needing first to remove the limitations. To remove limitations, you will find already a case or that would be in your resolution center. So first, you will need just to log in into your account so we can be able to remove these limitations. And basically, either you can go help for some, just go to the help, and after that, we will be needing to go to the resolution center. So basically here, we will need just to click, and basically, if you had some limitation, you would find them here in the all open cases. You will need just to click on the case uh, that made your account to have some limitation, and then you will need just to follow up the instruction there. So here we can find also another reason is that your debit card or bank account may not be eligible to process the instant transfer. So basically, you will be needing to start checking the status of your wallet or your credit card or your bank account that are linked within your account. So you can simply go to your wallet, and from here you will find all your linked cards. You can click on them and see the status by clicking on manage, etc. Or you can simply link a new card so you can solve this problem. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.